regard to Elon Musk, I think Elon Musk has done Britain and the world a huge service by turning X into a free speech platform. And I posted about that today because I feel very strongly about that. Prior to Elon Musk buying at huge cost, 44 billion pounds or dollars, whatever it was not a free speech platform. And algorithms suppressed things which the owners of the platform didn't like. Equally, that was the same with Facebook. Elon Musk has effectively bought X and he's created a free speech platform. Now, I happen to be a complete and utter devotee of free speech, as is Elon Musk. And it's embedded in our constitution. And I hear that excuse of a man called Keir Starmer now complaining about Elon Musk. Elon Musk has done the free world a total service. And I agree with Elon Musk that we need to sort out the wokery, the DEI, and all the other malign sort of philosophies that have been embedded into Britain over the recent past, largely as a result of Tony Blair and his cronies. But so I agree with Elon Musk. He's got absolutely every right.
What about him getting involved in UK politics?
As has every decent civilized Englishman, British citizen. They've got the same right to comment on what's gone so badly wrong.
But he
with
also
our country.
has the right to elevate his opinions because he owns the platform. There was some analysis by the Financial Times, and UK politics accounted for more than a third of Elon Musk's X posts over the last week. And the question really is, yes, free speech is important, but that platform is owned by one man who is using it to promote his own opinions on UK politics, and not all those posts are correct. In fact,
with no disrespect to UK, that's palpable drivel, and he does not use his platform. He uses it in exactly the same way as everyone else.
So he doesn't elevate his own posts.
He does not boost his algorithms. He is a highly principled individual. Ultimately, he doesn't even suppress criticism of himself. So the FT, that socialist rag, as I call it, ultimately is incapable of telling the truth. It never has told the truth.
Well, they've just been counting up his posts.
It's not telling that he can make posts, but that doesn't make his posts any different from anybody else's posts.
Right, okay, all right.